Hey guys, the 7evenator here. Today I'm going to show you what content I feature on my channel. As of March 11th, 2018, I upload 4 days a week with different content on each of those days. These 4 days include Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays. On Mondays, I feature all kinds of RC related content including my series, RC Drone Flying Through Trees. I also upload different RC videos with me playing around with my RC airplanes or doing crazy things with my drone. Once Wednesdays roll around though, the brave Bloons of Bloons TD Battles come to battle and I must fight them.
Well, yep, it's over.
This series of me fighting balloons is new in my channel and I hope you enjoyed it also. Fast forward to Fridays, I have to start surviving in Survivalcraft 2 in the harsh freezing conditions. Come on. My Survivalcraft 2 Let's Play has been my most highly requested series, so after an unexpected end to the first season, I started a season 2 in which I hope you enjoy. Aside from Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, each with their specific content, I also upload on Sundays with extra content such as lyric videos and tech videos.
What make you notice me?
Hey guys, the 7evenator here today, and today we're going to do a unboxing / review of the Samsung 850 Pro SSD. Pushing 4 videos a week is a great challenge for me, but I do it because my regular viewers love it and I hope you do too. Thanks for previewing my channel and I hope you enjoy the awesome content on my channel. See you around.